Hey, I'm Morgan Law from FinePoints.biz, and my goal is to help bookkeepers and business owners better manage their finances. I actually also have a whole YouTube channel dedicated to just that. Today, I'm partnering with QuickBooks to do a video series all about how to help business owners better run their business. A steady stream of cash inflows is really important to running your business, and accounts receivable is a big part of that. Today, we're going to talk about just what are accounts receivable and also some tips on how to improve them. Before we get any further, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to QuickBooks YouTube channel. If you're more of a reader, there's also going to be an article linked in the description box. Accounts receivable is the dollar amount that your customers owe your business after purchasing goods or services on credit. And in this case, credit usually just means that you send them an invoice at a later date instead of being paid immediately. You've probably also heard the term accounts payable. So this just means the amount that your business owes to third-party vendors like your suppliers. So accounts payable is what you owe, and accounts receivable is what is owed to you. To recognize an expense before it's paid, businesses increase the accounts payable balance. And in the same way, you increase the accounts receivable when the revenue is earned before you receive the payment. It's also important to note that accounts receivable is an asset account, not a revenue account. You'll find accounts receivable posted with other current assets. It's best to closely monitor accounts receivable and enforce a strict collections process, because if too many people owe you money, you're not going to be able to have enough cash to run your business. Accounting software should provide an aging report for you. So this will organize all of your receivables by invoice date. You can look at that report and see which customers still owe you money, and you can follow up with them with reminders via phone or email. If you need to improve your accounts receivable, here are some tips to reduce outstanding payments and help your cash flow on time. Number 1, create a formal written collections policy and enforce it. Once you start enforcing your collection policy, hopefully your customers will start paying on time. And if they don't, they may stop doing business with you, which might not be the worst thing if they weren't paying on time anyways. So having these payment terms is really going to protect your business as you use it for the basis of your collection policy. You might choose to charge a late fee for any customer whose payment is too far past the invoice due date. Or you could also do a discount for early payments. Make sure you put the payment terms clearly on the invoice and talk to your customers about them. You can check out our guide to payment terms right here. Number 2, automate the invoicing process. Using automation is really going to help reduce the risk of errors, and those recurring invoices can be processed in way less time. Emailing invoices to your clients is great, as well as providing online payment options, because they can pay them way quicker. Best of all, invoice automation makes the buying process easier, and it also improves your company's customer experience. QuickBooks Online gives you notifications when your customers view their invoices, and it also automates payment reminder emails. QuickBooks Payments makes it really simple to accept payments and let customers pay their bills online, no matter where they are. So did all of that make sense? Let me know in the comments if so. Staying on top of your accounts receivable really helps with unexpected cash flow problems, and it gets money in your hands sooner. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to QuickBooks YouTube channel down below. Thanks so much and have a great day.